Hey budgeting friends, I hope your Christmas holiday has been amazing and that on Christmas Day you guys were surrounded by loved ones and received all the gifts that you wanted and eaten so many beautiful homemade food, because I know I did. So let's get on with my last cash stuffing of 2021. How exciting is that? We are finally at the very last cash stuffing of the year, and what an amazing journey I've had. And I just cannot wait until 2022, which is just around the corner, and what my finance might look like. But yeah, anyway, let's get cash stuffing. Okay, so starting off with my wallet, and I never have any leftovers. So Bub Spending will be receiving $10. Food Shop will be receiving 2 50s and 2 20s, so $140. Fuel will be receiving $70. Takeout will be receiving $100. And we are done with my wallet. Okay, so onto my long-term binder. We will go straight to Target bill. So Target bills will be getting $30, 10, 20, 30. So Target bill now has 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 55, 56, 50, 70, 80, 90, 700. So $1,700. And keep an eye out on the next Target bill stuffing, where I will complete my long-term goals and pay off the last bills for next year. Jim will be receiving $115, which will be made up of 2 50s, and 10 and a 5. So now Target bill has Jim has 300, 54, 55, 20, 40, 60, 80, 6, 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 50. So $650. We are very, very close to that $1,000 mark. So we are done stuffing my long-term binder. Okay, so onto my short-term binder. We will be starting off with birthday, and birthday will be receiving $50, so a 50. So birthday now has 20, 50, 1, 50, 70, 90, $200, which will be perfect for the first birthday in January. Family time will be receiving $50, 55, sorry, 55. So family time now has 50, 1, 20, 30, 45, 50, $150, which is perfect for the school holiday. Date will be receiving $10. So that will be made up of 2 5s. So now it has 20, 30, 5, 40. Events will be receiving $30. So that will be made up of 20 and a 10. So events now has 1, 50, 2, 50, 3, 20, 30, 40, 50, $350. Health will be receiving $50, which will be made up of 2 20s and a 10, so 50. Okay, so Luna will be receiving $10, which will be made up of a 10, no, 2 5s. So now Luna has 5, 10, 15, 25. Household will be receiving $40, so 2 20s. So now it has 20, 40, 50. House insurance will be, these are my new envelopes that I've made, and I am switching around certain envelopes in certain binders. So house insurance will be now in short term. Meat shop is a new one of mine. Holidays will be receiving $140, which is receiving 2 20s and 2 50s. So now it has 1, 2, 53, 54, 50, 500, 20, 40, 50, $550. So we are done stuffing my short-term binder. Okay, so on to his savings challenge, and we will be stuffing $300 in this challenge, which will be receiving 151, 52. So $300. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 57, 58, 59, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, $5,000. Oh my God, we have done it. We have completed the $5,000 challenge for his envelope, which is so amazing. I just cannot believe it. That is just amazing as. So $5,000. Let's mark the 2 boxes that is left. Wow, this is amazing. $5,000. That is crazy. And I will keep an eye out for when I do spend the $5,000, well, technically the $10,000. If you contribute, include her challenge as well. So keep an eye out for that. And speaking of her challenge, we will be adding $300 into my challenge as well. So 100, 51, 52, 200. So 300 has been added to this challenge. So now we have 1,000, 2,000, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 57, 58, 59, 50, 979, 90, 2010. Let's just take that and put that $10 in. So $5,000 has been added, completed, sorry, has been completed for her challenge, which is just amazing to just finally be at this end of the journey, complete this journey. So let's mark the last 2 boxes down. And these savings challenges, I am going to be doing it next year, but I've changed the amounts of week, so it just lowers a lot of the numbers down. So instead of 40 weeks, we're going to do it in 52 weeks. And I have made templates that will fit into the A6 size and zipper pockets, and also laminated envelopes. So that is available on my Etsy store, which a link is provided down below. So keep an eye out of me spending this $10,000. It is exciting. I have I have big plans for these $10,000. I have big plans for the 10,000. And then with this 20 bucks, I will be putting it towards my son's savings challenge. So that is all spent for the whole cash stuffing. And I have I have concluded the Use Choose challenge, and I will be picking out the Use Choose winner next year, so keep an eye out for that. It will be from those who have contributed to the challenge, and I will randomly select it, and yeah, we'll see who's the winner and what their prizes will be, but that will be in the next year's videos. So thank you for joining me, and I hope that your New Year's adventures will be as fun as mine, as we are spending our time at the waterfront in Darwin watching the Veronicas and Amy Shark sing, so it'll be exciting. Anyway, I'll let you guys go and have a lovely day. Bye.